got this from the Amish mill up there in Harlan, Indiana. Gabert, G-A-B-E-R-T, I believe, family of Amish people. Some of the nicest people you will ever meet. Now, I got some black walnut, got some hickory, got some other wood, and we're going to be sawing that up next. So stick around if you want to see what the inside of some of that wood looks like. We don't have none of this old wild red cherry here in Texas, especially in the butthole of Texas where I'm at, down in Weslaco, Texas, on the border. But it sure was nice to be able to pick up some of this up there in Indiana when I was up there on the trip a couple of weeks ago. Stick around, I'll show you the rest of it. Ooh, we're in Indiana, and would you look at that pumpkin right there? That is a huge pumpkin, and the field is full of pumpkins. Look at all those big, large pumpkins. In Texas, we don't have no pumpkins that big. Check that out, folks. got a lot of background noise from the highway, but you see we're right here close to it. Only place I can put the sawmill. So you have to bear with me. I guess it's more of a visual video than a sound video. It's probably not going to hear much of my old voice. But this is a wild red cherry come out of Indiana. We're down at the bottom of Texas, at the butthole of Texas, as a matter of fact. Down here close to McAllen, Westerco, Harlingen, Brownsville area. Yep. We're getting down to the center. I'm going to clean that off, show you what it really looks like in just a minute.